In this video, we are going to discuss the interview question and answers for the ServiceNow developer as well as the ServiceNow admin. This is the series 2. What is business rule and its types? A business rule is a server-side logic with the help of which we can customize the things at the backend. There are four types of business rule: the before business rule, after business rule, async business rule, and display business rule. The before business rule execute before the data gets saved into database at the backend, and after business rule execute after data gets saved into the database at the backend. Async business rule, it is a asynchronous type of business rule, work like a after business rule but runs in a background. And display business rule is used to fetch the data from backend to frontend using G underscore scratchpad. Explain the difference between after and async business rule. The major difference between these two are: after business rule can do one operation at a time, and async business rule run in a background simultaneously with other processes. I want to populate 10 active incident records using background script. For this, we will have to write code in background script. We will first take one variable, then we will initiate glide record of the incident table. Then after we will add a active query, then we will set the limit. After that, we have to complete the query. Then we will use the while loop, and then after we will print the number. What is ACL? Give me a use case for this. ACL stands for the Access Control List. It is a third level of security on ServiceNow platform which provides security on record level as well as field level. For this, we can give a use case or the real-time scenario like one of my client requirement had for the ACL, as he wants that a person having ITIL role can only edit the incident form. For this, I have created ACL. What are the three levels of security in ServiceNow platform? The first one is credentials, second one is role based, and last the ACLs. The credentials, when we go to our i- instance, then we have to put the credentials, that login ID and password. It is the first level of security. Then the role based, every person or the user sees the application as well as the modules on ServiceNow platform based on their roles to them given by the admin. And third one is access control list, as we discussed earlier. Thank you.